It's business as usual at Burnside Village, while we continue the evolution of the centre by doubling its size. This is a significant milestone for the Cohen Group by not only enhancing our customers' experiences, but also bringing new job opportunities and brands to South Australia. We also are thrilled to announce that Zara, with its latest format store, being the first of its kind in Australia, has opened. And this December, we are very pleased to welcome Louis Vuitton, adding to the elevated mix of retailers at Burnside Village.
The design intent for the Green Hill Road facades create the look of an eclectic grouping of individual buildings, which as you move through the central opening opens up to an amazing light-filled space created by Atlantic and Skilling roof structures. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Hansen Yuncken as well as all of our consultant and supplier partners who have worked tirelessly on this project to date as we push towards completion.
This festive season, we're excited to welcome you to Burnside Village. With the convenience of free undercover parking, a safe and welcoming environment, and newly opened amenities and parents' rooms. Many of our stores have been beautifully refurbished, and our retailers are ready to provide you a premium shopping experience this Christmas. We'd like to extend our heartfelt thank you to our community for their patience and understanding as we work to create an even more exceptional village for you all to enjoy.